Hey guys, it's Sean from South Fort Chevrolet. Today I'm in a 2023 High Country Silverado 1500 and I'm going to show you off the new infotainment screen that it has. So this screen is actually made by Google. As you can see up here, it says driver, but you can actually sign into your own Google profile. That way it's going to sync the embedded Google Maps with your maps on your phone and your Google account. It has a lot of cool things. One of the cool things it has is Apple CarPlay, which is this easy to switch to. So of course, this is my home screen. We're on my Spotify right now. It pulls up my most used maps here, or apps here, including my Apple Maps or of course the Google Maps on the side there. If you swipe over, I also have my Google Maps for my phone, NHL app in case I wanted to listen to live broadcasts of the game, and then even WhatsApp and iMessage, text messaging, voice to text. To switch back, you just click the home button right there, easy as pie. So as you can see on the right side, it does have the embedded Google Map kind of quick link. So you can have your screen open over here and then still have your maps up. You also have a button here to access it or your hot links on the side. So any of your apps you can drag over and save here. That one is the Google Maps. One of the nice things about the Google Maps is that it's auto updating and it'll let you know about high traffic areas, like with these little red and orange lines. It'll let you know about construction and it'll actually update when they put new roads in, unlike the old style navigation with SD cards. So to update the map, you do need to be connected to a data, but you can connect to your home Wi-Fi and you can actually save maps to the screen itself. So basically when you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you can zoom out, choose a massive section like Edmonton and surrounding area, save it to the screen, and then you'll basically have a map of Edmonton. You can scroll down to Calgary and save a map of Calgary. You can go over to Banff, to Kelowna, to Arizona, wherever you like to go, and have them all saved to your device. That way you don't have to run a data plan the whole time. Of course, your Apple CarPlay will work off your phone's data. So if I go into my Google Maps, this will always be connected as long as my phone has a data plan actively on it. On the side here where you did see the maps, you can actually pull up your maps, your music, your trailering app, or this nice clean clock look. So if you've had a Silverado before with the trailering app, it still has it here. It has a little bit of a different layout. So right now I've just clicked on guest trailer. It still has your trailer light test. It's a little bit cleaner looking. This is of course where it'll ping all of your brake and reverse lights and turn signals, and it'll let you know not just which lights aren't working, but which pin is dirty and allowing them not to work. If you do run the camera to the inside of a stock trailer or the back of your travel trailer, this is where you'll access them. And then for people that don't tow a lot like myself, there's a checklist to make sure that you get everything done right and you don't drop a trailer on the highway. So another cool thing about having the embedded Google is that you actually have Google Assistant embedded in the truck. So the nice thing about Google Assistant is it's a $1 billion AI, and you can do stuff like, "Hey Google, tell me a joke."
Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? It's too tired.
As well as other productive things. And while your phone is wirelessly CarPlaying, it can also be wirelessly charging in this convenient little pouch. So one of the other things in the updated Silverado is this fully digital driver information center. So you can update what you want to have on either of the side screens. So right now I'm showing compass, but you can have drive mode, time and temperature, tire pressure, fuel economy, your transmission fluid temperature if you're towing, or just leave it blank. And you can actually change your display layout. So this is the digital one. You can go back to classic, where you're going to have the classic RPM gauges, clean, which kind of looks like a electric vehicle. All you have is your speed in the middle there. Progressive, which comes up on the side, or digital, which we were just on. So these are just a few of the updates to the new High Countries and just general Silverados. Come in, take one for a test drive in person and see what they're all about.